Hey everyone, we got ourselves 4 packs of Pokemon. We got our Chilling Rain, Evolving Skies, Battle Style, and not least Vivid Voltage. Alright, let's start with Battle Style. That did not go well. Alright. Code. Forward to the back. Start with energy. Tool Jammer. Galmoi. Cubone, and Marco, Hollow, Chimicho, and what do we have? A reverse hollow of a Orbeetle. Alright, put these two guys on the side. These to the side as well. Start with Vivid next. Nope, I guess you guys saw a card. Alright, there's a code. Let's just do it. Energy. Skinfish. Sable Eyes. Flowers. Duskull. A Pharaoh Seed. A Railu, a Sandal, Samaroot, and a reverse hollow. Meggear now. Alright, those are what we got. Nothing too exciting, but still on the board, I guess. Definitely with reverse hollows. Alright, Chilling Rain. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Got an energy, lucky energy. Polygon number 2. A Raboot. Slowpoke. Weedle. Carry and a Riesling. Alright, last pack, guys. Let's see if we get anything grand. See some of those cool art. Look pretty nice. Let's see if we get lucky. Start off with our code. There's our code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the back. Got our energy. I think we may see something. Badge. Spirit of Mask. Lily Pup. A Bagon. Lito. Lotad. Our Hitmonchan, and alright, we got ourselves Noverny. What is he? 117 out of 203. So these are the two from Evolving, and these are what we got earlier. As always, thank you for watching. You guys have a good one. See you on the next.